welcome to this video. Here you see an Acer Alloy Lockwood padlock with a nice rubber cover, and it was sent to me by Noctis Motus, so it came all the way from Australia to Germany. Noctis Motus, thank you very much for this nice lock with a very nice long shackle. Here are the keys. That's the bidding. 5 pins. Yale style keyway. Works very nice, no problem. Has 2 cutouts for probably 2 locking bolts, spring loaded. It's not key retaining. And let's close it back up. And you can see there's a little gap here on the top between the shackle and the shackle hole. I don't know if this is sufficient for shimming the lock. I don't have shims here, so I cannot test it. But looks quite a lot of space here. Well, anyhow, doesn't matter. I want to pick it, not shim it. And I just picked it before off camera. It was quite an enjoyable pick. So let's try to repeat that. Okay. So 2 is binding. Start again. Yeah. Got a click and a little turn on the core. So we're in a full set now. So 3 is giving counter rotation and lost the full set, touch 2 and got it back. 4. Deeper full set, 5, counter rotation, and not open, something's missing, 4, counter rotation, and lost the full set, got it back, 5 is giving feedback again, counter rotation, got it, and again, I didn't get it. Let's start again. Was much easier the first time, so set 2, full set, 3, counter rotation, touch 2, got my full set back, 3, got it, 5, and open. Alright. So it was the picking of the Acer Alloy rubber covered padlock. We can see if we can get off the cover and look under it. Get the pants off. Here it comes. Nicely made lock. Very nice. Smooth edges. Great. Beautiful. Lockwood Acer Alloy 120/40. So maybe they also sell it without the cover. I don't know. But let's put it back on so that the lock does not feel uncomfortable. Okay. So it's back on and close it. Alright, Noctis Motus, thank you very much for this nice lock. It was a great, enjoyable pick. Yeah, everywhere else, thank you very much for watching and happy picking. Bye bye!